I love the flexibility of this phone mount. Most people will probably install it right behind the Tesla screen, but we actually decided to place it right next to it on the dashboard, and it's working just fine. What I like about this mount is that it's designed specifically for Tesla vehicles. The mount folds away when you're not using it, so it doesn't take away from the clean look of the interior. The magnetic hold is seriously strong. It uses powerful magnets that keep your phone securely in place even when driving on rough roads. If you have a MagSafe compatible iPhone, it snaps right on. It also includes metal rings for phones in cases that aren't MagSafe compatible. Another nice feature is the 360-degree rotating ball joint, which makes it easy to position your phone exactly where you want it, and you can use it vertically or horizontally depending on your preference. Definitely check it out.